Do you like the orange? Please take my orange. Take my orange. I have my orange for you. Crepes. No. Oh. Merry Christmas! Trash. Hello everyone! And welcome back to my very own, very specialized individual Christmas market. Ho ho ho! Fröhliche Weihnacht überall, schwinge durch die Lüfte. Was ist eigentlich die englische Version von diesem Lied? Happily Christmas everywhere, and there's so much love right in the air. Actually, I'm not wearing my Christmas hat. Is that even a Christmas video? No, it is.
Oh my god, now you're a businesswoman.
Excuse me, Marcus, can you tell me about the numbers? You're fired, Marcus.
Oh, Marcus.
Yeah, sorry.
Marcus.
But he couldn't even tell me about the numbers, and the numbers were actually going down.
But you always brought me coffee.
Marcus, can you come back? For some reason, I thought I could hang it into my lip. Maybe I can do this.
But maybe you should.
Merry Christmas! No, I'm a unicorn. Merry Christmas. So guys, this whole video is gonna be
a fucking Christmas feast!
which means we're gonna have our own Christmas market today because Christmas markets are canceled this year, which makes me really sad. I mean, I always loved Christmas markets. I just thought they were like way too busy and it kind of annoyed me how many people there were. We actually went so many times last year, right? Also because you filmed the video there.
Well,
I mean, it's not just because of the video, like we were Christmassy.
yeah.
I ate like huge bratwurst, like a half meter bratwurst. My plan for today is we're gonna make our own Christmas market. This video is inspired by Julia Beautix and Joey Jungle. Oh, he's gonna hate me for this. And they recreated some Christmas market foods from the German Christmas market. I don't even know if like all the Christmas market foods are the same all over the world. I mean, obviously not all over the world. I feel like there's some traditional ones and I feel like Germany is doing a lot of crazy stuff. No? Okay. I mean, do you think everyone else has like 50 centimeters bratwurst? So I thought of my favorite Christmas market foods and we're gonna recreate them today because we wanna you know, feel Christmassy. I forgot my Christmas hat. Oh my god! So we're gonna start with everybody's favorite dish of the Christmas market. Does anybody eat that? Like actually eat it and likes it? So I'm talking about the infamous or famous candied apple. What the fuck is happening with this cat? I don't know if you like it. I don't even know if I like it. I think I never actually had it, but I just know that people always say it's like super sweet because I mean actually you're just eating sugar and an apple.
You never had it?
I don't think so.
My sister loved it and so I loved it too because my sister loved it and I wanted to fit in.
So you didn't actually like it?
No.
So it's time to make it today. And actually I'm gonna make two because I heard Vincent really likes it.
Yeah!
I think this shouldn't be too hard to make. I'm gonna tie my pants so they don't slide down.
You never know.
I don't know if you're supposed to remove the stem. I saw different recipes. Some do it, some don't, but like you're supposed to remove this. Let me just, you know, get in there. Ooh. I bought these two metal sticks. And I'm gonna... Hey, mamacita! What's up? It's an apple on the stick. Let's put the apples right here. So we need 200 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, and a little bit of food coloring in red, and lemon juice. That's all for your candied sugar-coated apple dream. Oh fuck, I forgot something. I wanted to make us a punch. A punch or a punch?
The American version?
Punch.
And the British version.
Did he fall? Is he beatboxing? I'm gonna call it the British version now. Okay guys, so abort the apple mission. They're gonna have to wait 2 more minutes. So I bought this punch, hot winter apple, and I bought this instead of mulled wine because I want to drink it with Vincent. I don't really know what's in there. I mean, I could just look, but I just don't care. We're gonna make it like real classic and real Christmassy. So I'm gonna put some orange slices into it, some cinnamon, and some, you know, just like mulled wine spices. So professional. You like the orange? Please take my orange. Take my orange. I have my orange for you. This looks very delicious and professional.
I'm gonna get drunk.
Our punch is ready and thriving. Yeah, I got it. Sorry, don't drink the dark stuff. Welcome to the Christmas market. I brought you something. It is your very own punch made by Naomijon.
Kostenlos?
Yes, for free. Oh, you don't fit into the frame, mister. Cheers to our Christmas market.
Ho, ho, ho.
Mmm. What? Too sweet?
No, I just brushed my teeth.
Why didn't you just brush your teeth?
You want to ruin my Christmas market.
No, I just like brushing my teeth.
You could do that like any time of the day, but why 2 minutes before like trying my punch? I think it's very delicioso. Too hot? Are you dying? Oh, Vincent! I don't want someone to die on my Christmas market. That's bad reputation. What will the press think of me?
10 out of 10 for sweetness. Tastes great. It's just very sweet. I like it.
You can just tell me if you don't want to drink it. You don't have to be like, oopsie. I'm gonna give you some more sweet and good stuff.
S'mores?
No. So let's carry on with my candied apples. So here's all of our sugar, which quite frankly is a hell lot of sugar for 2 fucking apples. But I mean, we signed up for this, haven't we? So I just put in 2 tablespoons of water, and it's supposed to be like a little bit of lemon juice. I'm just gonna eyeball it, you know. Oh no, it's a pit! Actually, I'm gonna leave the pit in there just for some spice, you know. I never melted sugar before. I also never caramelized anything, but let me just take another sip of my punch just for good luck. Oh, look, something's already happening. It's crystallized.
But you know I didn't die, okay? I had crystallized.
Oh.
Cool, I'm so good at melting sugar. Guys, it's sizzling. Is it supposed to be sizzling? Boil, bitch. Oh, I think it's boiling. Oh my god! Now we're supposed to put a little bit of the food coloring in there. Don't burn, don't burn. Ay, it's fucking brown. Well, everyone, this was a fail. Well, this is my first attempt. Just gonna leave it there. I'm gonna try this mess again. Luckily, I still have some food coloring. This one was not good at all. And let's just try to not burn it this time. Magic Finger Vincent, my Christmas market expert.
It's a Christmas miracle.
I'm gonna join you. We were doing so well. Let's just try it one more fucking time. Here are our past attempts so far. I think that's it. I think that's where we want it to be. Yes. That looks great. That looks amazing. That one is coated to the gods. All right, everyone, here's our result. After 3 times of trying to caramelize candy these apples, just gonna let it get hard. We also candied a pickle. Next, we're gonna try something which I really like. It is mushrooms with garlic sauce. And you always get it in those tiny little wood bowls, and then you have a little toothpick, and then you just like, that's why I bought mushrooms. I know I said that before we did the candied apples, but I don't think this one is a hard recipe. I forgot to cut an onion, which I'm gonna do now. Don't worry about it. I love cutting onion because I'm definitely not going to cry. This is not really a nicer dicer, but it does dice nicely. Just opening this is making me tear up. Now we're just gonna, you know, do this. Let's add the champignons. I'm a chef. All right, here we have the mushrooms, which look very yummy to be honest. And this is the garlic dip, which basically just consists out of yogurt, sour cream, parsley, and garlic and salt and pepper, and a little bit of lemon. And here is the finished result. I also put a toothpick in, so it would have a little bit of this Christmas market flavor. It looks really good to be honest. I'm not gonna lie, it looks really delicious.
Chestnuts.
This tastes exactly like the Christmas market. It's a little bit cold now because I waited too long.
Yeah.
The good thing is we still got some dip and some mushrooms.
I like the mushroom.
All right, next what we're gonna do is guess it. You gotta guess. That's right, we're gonna bake crepes. Last time I made crepes, you guys made me feel so self-conscious about the way I pronounce crepes. I'm just gonna say it the French way, the original way now. Crepes. Maybe like a year ago, I bought a crepe machine. I made this rainbow crepe cake. Okay, I'm gonna spread it with my... And it was really interesting, and it also taught me a lot about crepes. And I feel like just because I did that, I'm kind of an expert now at making crepes. That looks horrible! But I mean, it's been some time. But I still want to make it because it's like the typical Christmas market food. Like I always ate crepes with Nutella. Vincent and I, we earlier had this discussion. We found out we never actually ate crepes with like savory stuff on it, like ham or cheese. And I know it's a thing, but I never tried it. What do you want on your crepe? Pickle?
Potato!
So I don't know if y'all know how crepes are made. My recipe's for 4 crepes for 4 portions. Maybe we can even do 5, you never know. But we need 200 milliliters of milk, 20 grams of liquid butter, 130 grams of la farine, and 2 pieces of eggs. And a little bit of salt. And butter. I mean, technically we're not whisking egg whites, but I think this is a perfect opportunity to give you the egg white song again. A song while I'm whisking egg whites, which is really a delight, but I'm losing my mind because this is my whisking egg white soundtrack. This looks disgusting. We're still gonna let it sit for 15 minutes and then we're gonna make crepes. Our crepe pan has heated up. Some people like Peter Pan, I like my crepe pan. I'm gonna scoop it on there. I don't know how much help. Oh, it's doing something. Oh, it's a little bit thick, but I'm still practicing, okay? It's my first crepe. I'm kind of an expert now at making crepes. Hi, baby. Look at my crepe. So this one is order 504 for Vincenzo Domenzo. I'm just waiting for it to turn down because it's still too hot. Why did I make it square? Square crepe, square crepe, square crepe, square crepe. And what's gonna be on this one?
Cheese.
Oh, I forgot the Prise Salz in the batter. That's cool. I love Nutella. Guys, what is your favorite crepe flavor? Is it just like the typical one, like this Nutella one? Or do you actually like savory crepes? I think we're done here. Turn this off. It's almost time to go to bed. Vincent, let's eat some crepe. I have 3, you have 1. I'm gonna eat the cheese one first. The cheese one is really good.
Yeah?
I mean, would it be nicer if it also would still be warm?
Yeah, you know, mine is just lacking flavor.
Why?
There's not nearly enough cinnamon and sugar.
I thought you wanted less because you don't like it sweet. But I also added the salt afterwards. Alright, that was great. That was like the best crepe I've ever made. So next, I actually wanted to make some hot chestnuts, which you just heat up or roast or whatever in the oven, and then you crack them open, and then you can just... In German, it's
Heiße Marone.
So I actually bought chestnuts, but there's a little mistake here. I bought ready-to-eat ones, which you don't even need to put into the oven anymore. You don't even need to peel them. You don't even need to do anything. I'm really disappointed in myself. So excuse me, I cannot make these. But the good thing is we can try our candied apples now, which we've been waiting for so long. Yeah, I don't even... How do you... Cool! Yeah, I want to do it too.
This tastes exactly like the ones.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I really like it.
Yeah? Yeah. I mean, it's okay. Oh, that doesn't happen to the ones on the Christmas market though, I don't think. I'm gonna keep this for next year, okay? Because I'm good for this year.
I'm gonna eat it. All right, everyone. I think we're good. I think we felt the Christmas market flavor. We tasted the Christmas market flavor. I for sure know I will never ever candy an apple again. I also really wanted to make roasted almonds, but like I was just done with the process of melting sugar after 3 rounds of trying to candy an apple. Those were our first 2 attempts of trying to candy the apple. Does anyone want this? And then this red thing in the middle. Giveaway soon, everyone. Christmas giveaway coming. 2 giveaways coming soon. That looks so beautiful. I think that's it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on... Naomijon on... The Naomijon on... Whoa-ho-holter. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I wish you the very everything bestest Merry Christmas in the world. Make the best out of it. Have a great time. Hug your dog. Hug your cat. Hug your caramelized burnt sugar. Merry Christmas. I love you.